Many people wonder what steps you need to take before you can buy a house. In this video series, we discuss in 5 steps how the process works and what the actual order is. Today we will discuss step 1, which is preparing for your mortgage process. The first step is to watch our free webinar. We hold a webinar almost every week in the evening for about an hour where we discuss the entire process. This way, you will know what the housing market looks like, which houses suit you, the differences between new construction and existing construction, as well as practical matters such as the differences among various mortgage lenders. For example, there are lenders who are very good with new construction and lenders who are suitable for people working in the medical field. With sustainable mortgage lenders, but also simply large, stable parties where you can always find good support. That is precisely the advantage of an independent mortgage advisor compared to a bank. We can provide you with honest personal advice that best suits your situation, but that really varies for everyone. The next step is to zoom in on your situation. You do this by having a free mortgage discussion or an intake where you discuss for about half an hour what you can borrow at most, what your monthly payments will be, which houses might suit you because of that, and also which documents are important. In addition, we also discuss which mortgage lenders are the best fit for you and how long you should fix the interest rate. Of course, everything becomes even clearer once you have found a house, but it is always good to discuss what the options are in advance. After the mortgage discussion, you can start exploring the housing market. We will discuss how that works in video 2.